Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. After today's price movement, I was watching this one yesterday, and the thing that occurred with that is that the price broke down below that pink line, which on my chart represents the 200-day moving average. But the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. So there's that range element associated with it. So yeah, sure, granted, yesterday the chart looked like that where the price had technically closed down below that pink line, but it was still within the range of it. So I wanted to see, how did the price react today? And today things just got that much more separation. So at this point, I would definitely call that a true break of that, very significant level. And, you don't have to take my word for it. Anybody that understands charts and uses charts, even if you have a basic surface deep understanding, they've heard of the 200-day moving average. And, from a charting perspective, assuming you're bullish, that's just one of those levels that you want to see the price stay up above it. So I'm not saying that this implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined. All I'm saying is that from a technical perspective, this was a pretty significant move here. And the sooner the price can get back up above that pink line, the better. The thing with that, though, is, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of bounce to the upside, 98 cents, right around that dollar mark, is going to be that new key level of resistance. So while I'm not saying the price can't get above it or anything, just historically speaking, the price will really have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then be able to stay up above it. So 98 cents up to a dollar, right around that general area, definitely key area of resistance going forward. And like I said, the sooner the price can get back above that mark, the better. As far as next potential areas of support, I just want to make sure that I'm not missing out on anything here. The next level to watch would be down here at this previous breakout point. And that sits right there around the 87 cent mark. So 87, next level of support. And then I'll just map out one more. After 87, the next key level would be down there at 80. So 87 and 80, the next couple areas of support. Again, near-term level of resistance right there at the 200-day moving average. So the bleeding continues, but we'll see if the bulls can try to turn things around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.